Now I'm going to show you how to make a festive holiday soda. By this I mean a pomegranate soda. What you will need is 1 ounce of lemon juice, 6 ounces of club soda, and pomegranate mix or grenadine. Now I'm going to get the Collins glass, fill it with ice. The more ice, the better. Okay, just a couple more, and that should be enough. Mix in the lemon juice with the club soda. There you go. Now I'm going to use the pomegranate mix. But like I said in the beginning, you can either use pomegranate or you will need 1 tablespoon, and there's no need to mix this because the flavor is going to sit right through the middle and then the color is going to flourish from there. Make sure it's nice and full. Oh, and there you go. Nice holiday soda.